Hi, I'm an AI clone of Moodup CEO Danny Stefanik, and today I wanted to talk about the hybrid event connectivity component. When hosting a hybrid event, you are connecting one or more physical venues with a virtual reality venue together. The content you stream from the physical event to the virtual and back again will be content both your audiences interact with, be it Q&A, polls, live chat, or interactive content. If the connection between the two worlds ends, so can your event. So what can you set in place to ensure the best experience for both your audiences? Here are 4 areas you'll want to start with when choosing your venues. Tech support. For your peace of mind, offer best practice recommendations to optimize your attendees' experience. This applies to both on-site attendees and remote audiences. Support for the virtual component of your hybrid event can be handled by the platform provider. Make sure you clearly define everyone's expectations and responsibilities from the beginning. Flexibility and scalability. While for the on-site venue you will have a clear predefined number of attendees, the virtual platform can accommodate a lot more. So make sure you choose a platform that can easily scale to meet your audience's needs. Bandwidth. This is one of the things that may not immediately come to mind when planning an event, especially if you're new to hybrid events. But ensuring your physical venue has proper connectivity and bandwidth to support the integration with virtual services is critical. You're putting in a lot of effort and resources into creating your event. And while the virtual audience basically comes with their own connection and devices, your on-site audience is fully dependent on you and what you provide on-site. It's always a good idea to have backup plans for things like internet services or additional equipment, for example. And here's a tip from Moodup. Find out which hybrid event model best suits your needs. I have another video on hybrid event models. If you're interested in learning more about that, do reach out. Meanwhile, check out my other videos on the 4 hybrid event components.